Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making a system restore point so you can roll back if needed. Next, open Device Manager and identify the exact audio device name. This ensures you download the correct package. Once done, download the latest driver from the hardware maker or use Windows Update. Then right-click the device and choose Uninstall to remove the old driver files. Make sure to check Delete Driver Software, if present, so you get a clean reinstall. Now install the downloaded driver using Run as Administrator to ensure proper permissions. Follow the vendor installer prompts for codecs and audio control panel options. Alternatively, in Device Manager, choose Update Driver, browse My Computer, and point to the extracted driver folder. Once installation finishes, restart the machine to complete driver registration. If you suspect third-party interference, perform a clean boot and reinstall. Finally, open Sound Settings and choose the correct playback device, then test sound with system audio and a media file to confirm. Once done, check the vendor control panel for enhancements to enable or disable. Sometimes toggling enhancements fixes digital output issues. If audio still fails, boot into safe mode to test drivers in a minimal environment, and if necessary, use Device Manager to roll back driver or apply your restore point to return to the previous working state. This is a reliable last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.